Guys, it's Shauna03. I got a request to watch One Guy, One Screwdriver. Now, I'm finna tell y'all right now, I've not seen this. I have not looked at this. I don't know where it came from. I just got a request. I'm finna watch this, and this is my reaction video to this. So, here it goes. Don't laugh at me. Whoa! Whoa! Ew! Ew! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! All the blood! Oh! Ew! Oh my god! Oh my god! Why the fuck would anybody do that? That is nasty. That is disgusting. That's degrading. That's just beyond. Like, what the hell? Are you that bored that you have to stick a fucking screwdriver in your dick? I just want to know. Tell me how you guys feel about this video. Deuces.